Hello SEO pros. In this tutorial, we shall learn about Google penalties. What is a Google penalty? A Google penalty is when you break the web search guidelines of Google. Your website suffers from no rank or getting removed from search engine results page or a huge loss of traffic. For example, this one. As you can see, the website was going good, getting about 40,000 users, and then somehow it went down to around 100 per day. There are basically two types of penalties. The first one is Google algorithmic penalties, and the second one is Google manual penalties. So, what is Google algorithmic penalty? It means that your website has been penalized by Google algorithms. So, basically, there are two types of algorithms. The first one is real time algorithm, and the second one is periodic. The real time is active all the time. For example, if you create a bad backlink or do over optimization, you will get penalized in an hour or few minutes. It depends on the crawl. While in periodic algorithms, you will get penalized when Google presses the button. For example, Google core updates, you will get penalized at least 2 or 3 times in an year. So here is a list of Google algorithmic penalties. The first one is Google Panda, the second one is Google Penguin, the third one is RankBrain, and the fourth one is Bird, and the fifth one is Google Pigeon, and the sixth one is Google Hummingbird, the seventh one is Google Fred, the eighth one is Google Mobile First Index, and the ninth one is Google Prism, and the 10th one is Exact Match Penalty, and the 11th is Google Medic, and the 12th is Intrusive Industrial Penalty, and the 12th one is Google Pirate Penalty, and the 13th one is Google Sandbox, and the 15th one is Google Dance. Just like Google algorithmic penalties, there are lots of Google manual penalties. So basically, a Google penalty happens when one of the Google spam member reviews your website. So these are the types of Google manual penalties that you may face if you break their terms and conditions. The first one is unnatural links to your website. The second one is unnatural links from your website. The third one is user generated content spam. The fourth one is hacked website. The fifth one is pure spam. The sixth one is spammy structured markup. The seventh one is hidden text or keyword stuffing. The eighth one is thin content with low or no value added. The ninth one is cloaking or sneaky redirects. The eighth one is spammy free hosts.